dear viewers, this is ERi-TV English news broadcast. I'm your reporter Barsaba Taghla, and these are the major headlines for today. 8th grade national examination commences today. World Food Safety Day observed in Asmara. Iran unveils its first hypersonic missile. And Afghan provincial governor killed in car bombing. On your local reports, the 8th grade national examination of 2022 and 2023 academic year commenced across the country, as well as in Jeddah, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia and Kasala, Sudan international schools. The national examination that will be conducted in 455 examination centers include mathematics, English, social science and civics, and that over 67,000 students, including 48% females, are participating in the examination. The number of participants in the examination, compared to that of last year, has increased by 22%. The 8th grade national examination will be conducted until Friday, 9 June. World Food Safety Day, 7 June, was observed at the National Confederation of Eritrean Workers Hall under the theme Food Standards Save Lives. Representing the World Health Organization, Mr. Francis Mogomba said that World Food Safety Day is a reminder to raise awareness and mobilize action to prevent, detect and manage foodborne risks and improve human health. Mr. Francis went on to say that globally every year about 600 million people get sick and 420,000 die due to the different types of foodborne illnesses, and that young people and populations with limited resources are the most affected. Noting that addressing health conditions arising from unsafe food will contribute to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals, Mr. Francis commended the initiative the Ministries of Agriculture and Health, in cooperation with stakeholders, are undertaking to address issues related to food safety. Ms. Esther Lusepani, FAO representative in Eritrea, on her part said that what makes more the World Food Safety Day eventful is that it is being commemorated for the first time in Eritrea, drawing attention to food standards. Representing the Ministry of Agriculture, Mr. Taghla Miskinna, Director General of Regulatory Services at the Ministry, said that the achievement of national food and nutrition security is high on the agenda of the Eritrean government right since independence. And to that context, the government has invested heavily on soil and water conservation activities, which is the most critical factor for achieving food security. Mr. Taklab also explained in detail the initiative the Ministry of Agriculture is exerting in cooperation with partners on the minimum integrated household agricultural package. Mr. Taklab expressed his expectation that the revitalized National Codex Committee, working under the Codex Trust Fund project, will play its role in this respect. Ms. Taha Tesfa Mikael, President of the National Union of Eritrean Women, conducted seminar on 6 June to female government workers, focusing on developing vocational capacity and community organization. Pointing out on the contribution and participation of Eritrean women in realizing the national independence and safeguarding the national sovereignty, Ms. Taha noted on the significant role in nurturing a society in which social justice prevails. Ms. Taha also commended the participation of female youth workers in developing their vocational capacity and contribution in the national economic development programs. Indicating that the National Union of Eritrean Women has been exerting to develop the economic, cultural, social and political capacity of women, Ms. Taha said that vocational training center will be established in Massawa in the near future. Ms. Taha also called on the female youth workers to develop their vocational capacity and participation in the effort to transfer the noble societal values to the young generation. On your last local report, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students organized 3 months vocational training to 139 youth in Mendefera subzone. The vocational training included beauty salon, computer technology and musical instruments, as well as electronics and electricity. At the conclusion event of the training on 4 June, Mr. Saleh Mohammed Said, head of the union branch in the subzone, said that the training programs being organized to youth government workers is significantly contributing and discharging their daily activities, including timely service to the public. Mr. Girmay Gabru, head of the union in the southern region, on his part said that the training will have significant contribution for the youth and alternative job opportunities. Dear viewers, still to come here on ERi-TV is your international news after the short break. Welcome back. Iran has unveiled its first ever hypersonic missile Fatah, which it says can penetrate missile defense systems and will give it a military edge. State media published yesterday images of an unveiling ceremony attended by President Ibrahim Raisi and senior commanders of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, with the domestically made black missile visible. State media said the missile can move at a speed of up to 5,145 meters per second, has a range of 1,400 kilometers, and features a movable secondary nozzle. According to further reports, Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali has chosen the name Fatah, which roughly translates to the opener. Hypersonic missiles move at 5 times the speed of sound or greater and are maneuverable, making them difficult for defense systems and radars to target. The US, Russia, China and North Korea are believed to be the only countries to have successfully tested hypersonic missiles, but the exact details of the weaponry still remain scant. On today's final report, officials said that the acting governor of the northern East Afghan province has been killed in car bombing. Mondays after the region's police chief was killed in a similar attack claimed by an affiliate of the ISIS group. The bomber rammed a car filled with explosives into the vehicle carrying Nisar Ahmad Ahmadi, acting governor of the northern Badakhshan and provincial capital Faizabad. The driver was also killed and 6 others wounded in the attack. It was not clear who was behind the bombing, which was the first known attack on a Taliban official in Afghanistan in several weeks. The head of culture and information in the province said the governor was the target of the attack. Dear viewers, you're still watching us on ERi-TV, and now a recap of the major headlines. 8th grade national examination commences today. World Food Safety Day observed in Asmara. Iran unveils its first hypersonic missile. And Afghan provincial governor killed in car bombing. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching and enjoy the remaining of our programs.